Hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 12, and today's topic is Raman meets the rocking horse. It's actually a comprehension. So we know first we have to read the comprehension properly, then we will try to answer the question. Let's read. Raman asked his mother after school if he could go home and play with Chalk. She said yes, and she would come and fetch him at 5:30. She wore a long flowing sari, and Chalk thought she was very beautiful. She is an Indian princess, he thought. I will ride to her rescue if she is in danger. When they reached Jock's house, Jock took Raman into the basement room and went up to the horse and patted his neck. What's he called? Asked Raman, gazing at the horse with admiration. I don't know yet, answered Jock and added quickly. At least I do, but his name's a secret. He only allows me to call him by it. This was not quite true, as Jock hadn't yet invented a name for him, but he knew that he would sometime. He is wonderful, breathed Raman. Can I have a ride? Well, he doesn't like strangers much, answered Jock. I will ride him first so that he can look at you and get used to you. Interesting story, The Rocking Horse by Rosemary Manning. So easy story, okay. So after reading it, we have to read the question and answer. I told during the first comprehension that if you don't understand a word meaning when you will answer the question, then try to read the sentences or try to read the paragraphs several times, then you will get answer easily. And this type of practice is needed for you, because it can happen during the exams, the comprehension which will come, you don't know all the words meaning. So that's why you need to practice. Guessing practice means you don't know the meaning, but after reading its previous sentence or after sentence or a full paragraph or before paragraph or after paragraph, you have to guess the meaning of the word or words, then it will be easier for you to answer the question. Let's start. First question here, at what time of day did Raman go to play with Jock? Let's see. Here it is written, first sentence, Raman asked his mother after school if he could go home and play with Jock. So he went after school. So let's write the answer. First answer. Here we can write one number answer. What it can be? Raman went after school, oh my god, to play with Jock. To play with Jock. I told you during the first comprehension that you should write the comprehension's answer according to the question. See here, at the what time of day did Raman go to play with Jock? Here the question is asked in past tense. See here, did is written. So you have to answer the question in past tense. That's why I have used here Raman went after school. So here this is went. Okay. What is a sari? I think you know it. Is it written here? See, she wore a long flowing sari and Jock thought she was very beautiful. She is an Indian princess. He thought, I will ride to her rescue if she is in danger. So see, after wearing sari, she was looking like an Indian princess, And you should keep remember another thing, whenever you will grow up and gradually you will find some comprehension that every question answer will not be given in the extract straight way. You should think and you should find out it. So here see, she is an Indian princess, like Indian princess, and she wore a sari. So we know a sari is a traditional Indian dress. We can write it here. A sari is a traditional Indian dress. Indian dress. Next one. What is the difference between gazing and looking? So see, gazing and looking, here it's written, words he called, asked Raman, gazing at the horse with admiration. So gazing actually one type of looking where you will look so deeply or intently. Or looking is actually casual, means all time we do it, we look in some places, but sometimes we do not give more attention. So we can write here, there is no enough space, so I am writing here the difference between gazing and looking. After putting a colon, we can write gazing is looking intently, gazing is looking intently. After that we can put semicolon. Looking is more casual. Looking is more casual. Okay. Next one, this is, why did Jock think of Raman's mother as a princess? So let's see. See, here it is written, she said yes and she would come and fetch him at 5:30. She wore a long flowing sari and Jock thought he was very beautiful. She is an Indian princess, he thought. I'll ride to her rescue if she is in danger. So why she thought? Because she wore a long flowing sari. So let's write it. Here we can write it. Okay. Here the question, why did Jock think of Raman's mother as a princess? We can write from this place. Jock thought of Raman's mother as a princess. Here we are writing Jock thought of Raman's mother as a princess. Because she was, see, because she was so beautiful, she was so beautiful and wore long flowing sari. Flowing sari. Okay. Next one, see, in what part of the house was the rocking horse kept? Let's see where it was kept. Here it is written, when they reached Jock's house, Jock took Raman into the basement room and went up to the horse and patted his neck. So it was kept in the basement. We can write the 5 number. The rocking horse was kept the rocking horse was kept in a basement room. Okay, next one, see what is written here. 6th number, here it is written, what reason did Jog give Raman for not telling him the horse's name? Let's see where it is written, the answer. What is he called? Asked Raman, gazing at the horse with admiration. I don't know yet, answered Jog, and added quickly, at least I do, but his name's a secret. He only allows me to call him by it. So this is the reason. So let's write. What can we write? Answer we can write here, 6th number, C. Raman did not tell the horse's name because according to him, the horse allowed only Jog to call him by his name. Okay, see here it is written, only allows me to call him by it. Okay, so next one is the 7th number. What was Jog's real reason for not telling him? See, answer is here. See, this was not quite true, as Jog hadn't yet invented a name for him, but he knew that he would sometime. So it's actually reason. So let's write. Here we can write 7 number. The real reason was that Jog had not invented a name for the horse. So what is the real reason? The real reason was that Jog had not invented a name for the horse. So last one, what reason did Jog give Raman for having the first ride himself? We know this. Well, he doesn't like strangers much, answered Jog. I will ride him first so that he can look at you and get used to you. So this is the real reason. So the answer is, the reason Jog gave was that the horse could look at Raman and get used to him. Then he could ride. So write it here, 8 number. The reason Jog gave was that the horse could look at Raman and get used to him So we have done last one. Hope you have understood today's topic easily. This is a comprehension. You will practice at your home. Next time we will do page number 13. Bye for today.